Okay.
First, put the screwdriver in the screw.
Put the screwdriver in the screw.
Yes. Very easy.
Very easy.
Yes, very easy.
3-pin plug.
Yes.
Open, open, open.
Yes, very easy.
Okay. Magnetic?
Wait, it's it's broke.
No, it's okay.
Look here.
Yeah, no, that's good. That's a plastic screw. It's a brass screw to go into plastic. Okay?
Okay, then.
And then where's the fuse?
Here.
Which one? Take the fuse out?
This one.
Yeah, yeah. Can you take him out?
Yes.
Okay. If your kettle is not working, you can change the fuse, or your television. You have fuses in your car. Take it out, and then you put in the same number. This is a 3 amp fuse. It says 3A.
Yeah.
Okay. Comes out. Use the screwdriver. Okay. Twist.
Okay.
Okay, you got it?
Yes.
Comes out?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, out.
Out! And then you put a new one in, and that makes your television or kettle work.
Yes.
Most times it will be that the fuse wire inside the fuse has melted. Okay, now we put it back together again. We have a green and yellow earth wire. The brown is the live wire, and the blue one is the neutral wire. And then we put it on, click it in, click,
Click.
click,
Click.
click,
Click.
click, click, click,
Click.
click, and then put the screw back in. Excellent.